Total's $14.87. This is $6.12. I said $14.87.
This is all I have.
Then you have to put something back.
You can take the money.
Total's now $12.86. You still don't have enough.
Listen, you can take the cake out.
Daddy, no! It's for Grandpa's birthday. He's really sad.
You can take it.
Total now $6.04. Next.
It's with
But Grandpa has been so sad lately.
Excuse me? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to startle you. So please, take this.
wow, man. Thank you. But why are you doing this? I don't even know this.
Well, when I was a young boy, my mother and I were homeless and we barely had enough money to eat. She didn't have enough money to pay. We left the store empty-handed, not knowing how we were going to eat that night. An amazing man bought us some food. We didn't know how we would ever repay him. Was to one day help someone else in need. So you see, I'll never forget that kind man. He thought he was just giving me food, but he gave me so much more than that. A life lesson I'll never forget. It made such a big difference in my life. I'll probably never know it.
Wow, man. That's a beautiful story.
My grandpa's gonna be so happy.
Take this. Just always remember to pay it forward. Help someone else in need. I will.
Yeah. Yeah, something good. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dad. Happy birthday to you.
But son, how could you afford to buy this cake? I know things have been hard.
Yes, to be honest, I didn't have any money. But there was this man who bought everything for us. And the only thing he asked us to do in return was to do it for someone else in the future. He even gave us his card. He said that someone gave it to him